Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be working on my new daily, the BMW E61 525 diesel. It is quite chilly today. It's actually -7 degrees Celsius today, so it's really cold. The thing we are going to be fixing today is actually the seat heating in my E61, because that is not working, and that is a pretty important thing now that it's getting cold. Not getting colder, it is quite cold. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm celebrating November here with a little mustache. I don't know if I'll post this in November though, but either way, trying for my first time to like collect a little bit of mustache. I don't know if it's going that well. I don't really have, you know what, whatever. To fix the seat heating problem, I have actually just bought a new seat. And I was a little bit stupid because I bought from a pre-phase and my car is facelift. So hopefully that works. If not, I will put the heat element from the new seat onto my old seats. Today we're going to find out if it will fit, and hopefully the seat heating on that is working. I bought it used, so hopefully it's working. It should, but we don't really know. It doesn't look good at all, so we are going to give it a good wash. Then I'm going to bring my heat gun and we're going to try and really fix it up and make it look nice, and then get it in the car. So now let's see if we can easily make a really ugly seat look kind of nice. Now my Skyline is no longer in the garage, as you can see. Now we have this thing. Yeah, I still haven't fixed the trunk damper right there, so I do have to use this, but one problem at a time, alright? Yeah. Okay, so the usual problem when it's like this, now you'll see, it just turns off again. If it does like that, it's normally not the fuse, then it's normally the seat element that has some problems. And that can be caused by people like putting their knee or something right here, and that could destroy the seat heating on the seats. So you see right here it works perfectly, but I mean, that doesn't do me any justice because I mean, I don't sit there, I sit in the driving position right here. Luckily, I do have like steering wheel heat, and that's pretty nice, but I still do need some seat heating. Okay, so here we have the seat I have bought used from Facebook Marketplace, and I think we can make this seat pretty clean in just 2 simple steps. And first is just clean it off with some interior cleaner, and then secondly I will use a heat gun to try and fix like all of these things you can see in the leather right here, like here, especially like fix all of these. I've been told this will be better with a heat gun, so I'm really excited to see if it's actually an easy fix or not. And I'm going to be really careful because I'm not very patient, so I usually just take way too much heat and then I destroy it. So I will try to be very gentle and very careful. So now let's try and see if we can make it a little bit better. Yeah, that looks much better. I actually found a technique, I don't know if it really works, but I found this in the car, so I just used this to actually like massage the seat. So like go backwards and forward like this while I'm using the heat gun. And that like make it sit like a pressure over these like small ones you have right here. Like you see right there, that makes like pressure like wider than the hole is, like this. And that like massages the leather and I felt like that worked better than just using heat to like massage the leather a little bit. I mean, this turned out much better than it was. So yeah, cool. I'm going to work a little bit more on this now, and then we are going to remove the seat in the car and then get this seat in there, if it fits. You know, I have heard that if you remove the seat on a facelift E60 or E61, it will not start, and that is not the case on pre-facelift. So I am really nervous that there could be some different connectors on here, but I don't really know. It could be the same, could be different. It's only one way to find out, and that's to try. So now let's remove the seat and test it out. Okay, to get the seat out of this car, you're going to need a Torx T50, and then you should, don't unplug the seat before you begin, because you do need to first adjust the seat forward. Then you can access the bolts on the back right there, one there and one there. And now I'm going to slide the seat backwards so we can access the T50 Torx on the front. To get to the T50 Torx there, you have to remove the cover, which sits, this cover right here, which sits like that, like this. And you have to slide it forward like that. That's how you get it off. It was actually really hard, to be honest, and I didn't film it, so I'm sorry about that. But I just had to use those thin plastic interior removal tools and just put it under there and just pry it, like push it forward, and then it went out. And I have also like loosened this a little bit, so it was a little bit easier that way. So then you can access the bolt right there, and the same on the other side right there. That's not straight up, that's a little bit on the skew, but either way, okay to access. So now we can just tilt this seat backwards and then unplug everything after I have disconnected the battery. Oh, damn, that was a lot of connectors. I think I just unplugged like 10 connectors or something. This car is almost too new for me. I mean, an E36 would have just been like 2 plugs or something. Whew. Well, now let's get this seat out of there. I forgot about the belt. Whew. Okay, now I feel like an idiot, because these look the same as the one over there, but I mean, I just disconnected these and then I put them in there, like you see the slots here. That's where I unplugged these. But this doesn't have, I mean, you see the whole tray right there? Here's nothing. So I'm just really tired, so I don't, there could be a really simple solution right in front of me now, but I just don't see it. Wait, the rails doesn't even, the rails are not there. But that means, can I just move the whole thing? Why? Yeah, perhaps I can just remove that Torx right there and just move the whole thing. That's a possibility. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I can. I'm going to, okay, let me investigate a little bit here. Okay, I am now moving the whole seat rail thing over to this side, so I hope that will work. I just removed the whole harness right here, and I'm going to replace it with the old harness that we do have right here. I feel this is way above my level of expertise, but hopefully it's good. I did just take a photo because where is these going, so hopefully that's a good enough photo. I did ink wire going on top. Now we can actually start to mount them. Just see here. We have this thing. Okay, I don't know, 3 mental breakdowns later, I think we are getting somewhere. Now we got the belt on the correct seat. We got, I think we got everything. We got the whole railing system under here, that's on. So that's really good. And now it's just a matter of connecting everything back together on this bottom part that I just moved over from the other seat. So let's get these on there. We're getting somewhere, but now I'm really nervous and really hope the car starts and we will not get any more faulty codes. And of course, I really hope the heating seat works because if it does not, this is not going to be a good day.
One eternity later.
Oh, damn. I think I have bad news. Why is when I do something, things never go according to plan? Now, it's just a mess. But, okay, I am done now. I have connected everything according to what I saw in the photos. This connects to the car, so that's good. So that's, I have control here now. But I'm missing one. So I'm like, okay, missing one, what's going on? Going back to the photos and see, okay, I have a black connector going in there. And then I'm going to check the car. So I'm missing two connectors, right? The yellow one right there and a black one right there. What's in the car? We have a black one. Check. We have a yellow one. Check. And then we have another yellow one. And that was not in my plan. I forgot about that. You can bet yourself that's a connector for making the car start. With my kind of luck, that's what it is. I do see right here on the old seat, this is the connector right here. Goes down here into the seat somewhere behind here and into something here. I don't know. So I thought that when I swapped over the harness, it was all good. But seems like it's not good. If this is the case, I have to put everything back. I mean, it's not a good thing to put things together, and it's not. I know I'm missing one connector there, so I could try, but I would most likely get an airbag faulty code or something. I don't know, but I'm going to try. It's a winter beater, this, so I'm going to try it. But let's get the seat in the car and see if the car starts, if the seat heating works. Oh, I'm so nervous. Damn. Is this the wrong way? That went actually kind of smooth. I'm so tired. If the car doesn't start now, this is no joke. Connecting the battery. Let's not hope the airbags blow off. Battery is connected. Now let's see if it starts. I can't stress this enough. If the car doesn't start now, I mean, I have very limited amount of time that I can wrench right now because my girlfriend is now home with our new daughter, which is probably screaming, and it's a hassle, and I need to be there to help. So I don't have that much time to wrench, but I said I want to do this because I do need seat heating on the car. So if this doesn't work, I mean, if it's an airbag lamp, you know what, I'm just going to live with it for a little while at least because I just need to get home now. So now, let's hope it starts. I haven't even bothered bolting it to the floor. I must say I'm a little bit worried about the airbag deploying or something like that, so... Okay. Yes! Yes! Victory! And we have an airbag lamp. Yes, we have a new airbag lamp. You know what? It starts. I'll bolt it up and I will figure this out later. I don't want to do it right now. Woo! Success! Or, well, it's not a success because I do not have an airbag lamp now. So it's bad, but it starts. So it's good. Oh, wait, seat heating. I totally forgot. Okay. Stay on, please. I think it's working. Yes, I think it's working. I will 100% trade seat heating for airbag light. Nice! We like that! It's working! Good! Today has then been a success! I like that. Now I have seat heating in the car and a new airbag lamp, but I will figure that out later. I'm going to keep my old seat and figure out if I can like transfer the connector or something, but not today. It's a success, but after a few mental breakdowns today, this seat I bought used was rough. I have taken a lot of parts. I mean, I mean, this is now the old seat, and I have taken some parts. I mean, like this, when I was about to install the seat, all of a sudden I just saw, oh, this is all loose. What is that? So I had to take the bolt from this seat and put it into the one in the car. I mean, many of those things happened with the seat I bought. So the guy selling me this, I don't want to say he screwed me, but it was not a nice part. Now I need to be the asshole that's going to sell this with minimal parts and not all the hardware on it. But as long as I say it when I sell it, I think it's okay. I'm very happy. I will try to swap over those, but we'll do that later. Okay, so the result of this is this. We have a airbag lamp right there, seatbelt 2. And it also says here restraint system faulty, so I don't really know what that means. But you know what? I am really happy either way. Maybe I can just code it away or something like that, or try to actually fix it and get the harness from the old seat into this one or something like that. I don't really know, but yeah, you know what, my seat is now, I'm burning up. It's so hot in the seat. I'm going max speed on the seat heating right now, and it works great. But either way, I am really happy that we got the car started, because I was really worried about that. So yeah, now we have a heated seat on the car, so we can just check that off the list, and then we can begin with the next thing, and that is most likely the trunk. I don't know why I haven't fixed it yet. I haven't even changed the wheels yet. I said to you in the previous episode with this car that I am most likely going to have them for a few days. It's been weeks now, so every day now is super busy, so I'm not getting much done, so that's not good. We're getting there slowly and surely. At least now we have a heated seat, and that's really nice. Now I can confidently drive to work on Monday and have a nice and hot car. At least I will feel hot with the seat being hot, and my steering wheel also have heat in it, so that's really nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something or thought this was entertaining or something. If you did, please like the video and subscribe with that notification bell so you never miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.